Buying an affordable electric bike can be difficult. Some people try to import bikes from overseas to save money. But the problem with this is that you will not receive any post-purchase customer support if something goes wrong. At eWheelswarehouse.com, we have put together a list of electric bikes that are affordable, and every brand we work with has a great track record of exceptional customer service. Today we are going to introduce you to the top 5 electric bikes under $1,000. First on our list is the Acontric Dolphin step-through fat tire electric bike. This bike has a top speed of 20 miles per hour and comes with a 36-volt 12.5 amp-hour battery and a rear hub 36-volt 500-watt motor. It takes 5 to 8 hours to charge and features an Acontric smart LED display and speed sensor. The battery life is between 400 to 600 cycles, and it has pedal assist on demand throttle. Next, we have the Anterior Ma5875. This bike has 7-speed gearing, a 500-watt motor, and 5 levels of pedal assistance. With a top speed of 15 miles per hour and 4.0 inches tires, it can handle any bumps on the trail. The battery range is between 22 to 40 miles, making it perfect for long rides. The Acontric Vortex 26 inches city bike is another great option. It has a top speed of 20 miles per hour and comes with a 36-volt 12.5 amp-hour battery and a rear hub 36-volt 350-watt motor. It also features an Ecotric smart LED display and speed sensor. The battery life is between 400 to 600 cycles, and it has pedal assist on demand throttle. Fourth on our list is the Aster Motor A20 electric folding bike. This bike has a top speed of 25 miles per hour and comes with a 36-volt 13 amp-hour lithium battery and a 500-watt motor. It also features an intelligent pedal assistance system and a 36-volt 22-amp controller. Last but not least, the Aster Motor G350. This step-through cruiser bike is a great option. It has a 350-watt motor, a 36-volt 10-amp-hour LiPo battery, and a top speed of 25 miles per hour. It features an LCD display, 26 inches tires, 7 gears made by Shimano, and front and rear disc brakes. If you're interested in viewing our full range of electric bikes under $1,000, be sure to check out eWheelswarehouse.com. We have a wide selection of affordable e-bikes, and every brand we work with has a great track record of exceptional customer service. Thanks for watching. Please share this video with friends and family looking for a budget electric bike, and we'll see you in the next video.